saw her at the mall yesterday. I know he would come. Can you make some coffee? I like this song. She runs like the wind. I called him this morning. She walked into the room. What time is it? She has a new car. Look at the picture. I have 2 brothers. I need more time. Please write your name here. Let's go home. See you tomorrow. What's your phone number? No, I don't agree. This is the best way. Could you help me? Many people love coffee. My phone is new. Ahmed is taller than Ali. I was the first to arrive. Can I have some water? I've been busy all day. I'll call you later. Who is that? The car needs more oil. It's a beautiful day. I'm busy right now. I can't find my keys. It's a long road. Look down. Have a nice day. What did you say? I need to get some sleep. Come with me.